Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to charge your GoPro Max 360. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their GoPro Max. How do you actually go ahead and charge it so that it doesn't actually go ahead? How do you actually go ahead and charge it so that you don't run out of battery? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you need to do first is that you need to go to the side and you need to press this down until it shows red and the case flips open. Now over here, what you're going to see is that you're going to see a USB-C port. So you need to grab your USB-C port, which looks like this. You don't want to be using a lightning cable just because a lightning cable is not going to work. So notice the difference between the two. Grab your USB-C cable and simply insert it into your GoPro mount right over here and wait until you hear a click. Now once it's charging, you are going to see a light indicator that turns red to indicate that it is charging. Now GoPro does take some time to actually charge. It takes a couple hours, but once it's finished charging, you simply pull out the USB-C port and then go ahead and close it up and then make sure that this is locked. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and charge your GoPro Max. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.